How you doing? So, today is the day. It is motherfucking hump day. So, y'all, I fixing to get up. Oh, what happened to Singular Wireless? What happened to them? Oh, because I'm trying to let it get hot in here so I can put on my SONY thing and go in my daughter's room. Because her room be hot. Alright. Good morning. So, it's 8:34. Wednesday. Hump day. And the kids are eating cereal before they go to school. Hold on. What are you doing, Carter? Look at me. Look at me. Little lyric. Okay. Mommy, I love you. I love you too. I love you too, Lyric.
You're cute.
I'm cute.
Yeah.
Thank you. She ain't done.
I get on the wrist. I get a beat hard. I'm going to beat hard, Mama.
Okay. It's a nice, bright design out here. Look. See, it's a nice, bright day. I got my door open because it brings in light. And I'm gonna open up these blinds in my living room.
Yeah, he be here about 9:45.
Okay. My mom is gonna take them to school 9:45. Took them time to eat and do stuff. I still haven't ate yet because I'm just not hungry. All right, y'all. I'm working out in the house today. I'm not walking. I'm fixing to go in my daughter's room because that room always fucking hot. So I'm gonna grab me a little bottle of water. And it's not much in here. And yes, then to start working out. I'm gonna record because I'm only working on the bottom half. Yesterday I did upper body, so I'll be back once I start working out. Now that my workout is complete, yeah, that works out for me. Oh yeah, I done worked out and I'm working right now. Right now, right now, right now. Y'all, I'm gonna take a sit down bath. Woo. Okay, y'all, so now I'm out the shower. I feel way more energized now that I don't work out. I'm about to go get ready to do this lookbook. And take some photos. Put the AC on because I'm done working out. You know, like, people be wanting you, they be telling you to be yourself and do all this shit. And then once you start being yourself, you got kids watching you. I know I got kids watching me. My kids watch me every day. Granted, I don't do a lot of shit around them, but I have a boombox, Bluetooth speaker box, and I'm just to play some music. Y'all already know. Get into the mood because I'm gonna do my makeup in a minute. And and I'm not gonna start waiting on them. Too used to your face, too used to your ways, too used to the games that you play. I'm just trying to fill this void. There's something that I'm missing that I've been trying to avoid. I don't know what it is, but I know it's not true. I don't feel bad about it, just be your man. I need something different. I need something different. I need something different. I need someone different. I need someone different. Different from me. Calling for your time. You're so damn predictable. Morning, noon, and night. See, you'll never turn this emptiness I feel deep inside. Said I care, but I don't care enough to keep you